सबको नमस्ते. So let us take again Kabir ji's couplet today. कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में लिए लुकाटी हाथ, जो घर जा रे आपना चले हमारे साथ. So Kabir ji is saying that I am standing with a mashal, with a flaming torch in my hand, with a flame, a live flame in my hand. And I'm standing in the middle of the marketplace, in the middle of this world where all the transactions are going on. You give me this, I give you that. I do this for you, you do that for me. All these transactions are going on. In the middle of all that, Kabir is standing with a flaming torch in his hand and he's saying, Jo ghar ja re apna, chale hamare saath. So he's saying, who should travel with me on this path? One who is ready to burn his house. Only that one should dare to accompany me. He is not saying a friend to accompany. He is not saying the enemy to accompany. He is not saying that all my friends, let us just come together and travel on this path. Not at all. And in another one, Kabir says that, Kabira खड़ा बाजार में मांगे सबकी खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर. So Kabir on this path of truth says that I don't have any friends, special friends, and he says that I don't have any special enemies also. Because whenever we create this distinction, that these are a few special persons in my life, we again separate. It's a kind of a violence. So he's saying the one who is willing to walk on this path of truth, who is willing to burn his house down, only that one should come with me. Neither a friend nor a foe. He's not, biased to either a friend or a foe. He's saying the one who wants to walk this path of truth, only that one should come who is ready to burn his house. Now, what does this mean? Who is ready to burn his house? House is, if we see, even the practical houses that we have, 4 walls, where we feel, at least we kind of think that we are safe. So it becomes the comfort zone that I begin to live in. And we all do that from time to time. We make a little identity, I am this limited self, these 4 boundaries, these 4 friends, these 5 enemies, that's it. That's me. So Kabir is saying this path of truth is not for those people who want to just live in a limited comfort zone all the time. It's not for them. Kabirji is saying that those who are ready to challenge their boundaries again and again, that's what, that's who should walk this path. And why would Kabir say that you have to burn your boundaries? Because if I am living in a boundary, if I identify with the boundary of a particular image that I am far away as if from my true essence. So I am a traitor actually. I am a traitor in that sense. I am betraying my own self. I am betraying who I truly am. I am truly limitless. I am truly infinite. I am truly all that is. So the moment I capture myself in a limited identity, limited image, limited role, I betray myself. I betray my original essence. And that's the reason of our pain, our struggle, our suffering and frustration. We begin to limit ourselves to this little person who I am. And we can never be little. We can never be happy identifying with that little limitedness. Because who we are is this limited, unlimited essence of life. Unlimited, infinite essence of life. So that's what Kabir is saying, that the one who is ready to burn his boundaries, who is not going to attach to any image of himself, only that one should walk this path of truth with me. Rest all don't have to. What does it mean in day-to-day life? We begin to identify ourselves with this person who I am too much, too much. We take ourselves too seriously. We begin to identify ourselves with this person who has this family, who has this property, this job, that job. So it's not that I don't do my duties. I obviously do my duties. But at the same time, I also remember who I am is not this limited identity. So I can be anyone. I can be anything, anytime. And then I keep on tapping into my limitlessness again and again, again and again. I do not get settled down in one role. I do not allow myself to settle down. That's how one can live fully, the essence of life fully. Each and every moment can be full of richness if we are capable, if we become ready to remember who we truly are, the unlimited essence that we are. This is the truth. So we are living in falsehood. We are living in a big, big falsehood if I identify myself as this little person having this little mind, little feeling, and little body. This is not who I am. This is just a little part of the whole, the drama. And if I begin to remember again and again, remind myself who I truly am, then I can pour that limitlessness into life. I can pour it out. I can pour it out. So who would like to experiment with that? And that is what Kabir invites us to do, that would you like to experiment with this path of truth?